Blank.
Hello, Mr. and Mr. Rana, right?
No.
How can I make you better?
I need 25 more minutes.
Okay, that's fine. So can you focus on this? Okay, let's look at this. Okay, we are given an array of integers. We want to find out if it's possible to split the array into two halves. Okay, and the requirement is that the first half, the number is equal to the second half. Yeah, that's very obvious. And
What was the second one? Because you can just split it to 2.
we are given an array. We want to find out if it's possible to split
Yeah,
an array into two parts, and the number of each part is the same. And also, the first part contains the distinct numbers. The second part also contains the distinct numbers. So
Yeah,
unique
but
numbers.
the first one doesn't. Each side isn't equal. Isn't equal. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4, and 2 plus 3
Okay.
plus 4 equals 9.
Yeah. We're not worried about that.
But,
Okay.
you can choose any.
Yeah. So the first one we can obviously, right? So we can split the array into two
No,
halves.
you can only split into 6 and 3 halves. 6
One.
and 7.
You could
What
say
do you mean 6 and 7?
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and
Yeah,
1,
but
2,
you
4.
said it-
Okay.
you
Yes,
said-
you get my point.
No,
Okay.
but you
1, 2, 3 does not 6 does not equal to 7.
Okay. We are not summing up. Okay. We.
You said 6 does not equal 7.
Okay. Yeah. Good point. Okay. So we don't worry about the sum. We just worry about that.
Then it's not equal.
The number, right? There are 3 numbers in
Well,
the first half.
well,
The
four-
there are 3 numbers in the second
Well,
half.
3 doesn't equal 4.
Yeah, but at the beginning.
What do you mean 3 numbers? 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, and another 3 numbers, 1, 2, 4. There are 3 numbers each. Okay, that's what I
Yeah.
meant. The length.
Yeah, but we're saying that at the beginning, you're saying
Okay.
that we have split it 2 and then it has to be equal.
The length needs to be
No, you
equal.
didn't
Okay.
say anything about the length at the beginning.
Okay.
So
Now let me get this clear. Okay. So we
So
want to
then you
split
get
the
to do.
numbers.
So yeah, then you just could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then.
What do you mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
So if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then it's equal. You can make it equal then.
I don't get it. What do you mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? I mean, come on, look at this example.
Yeah,
That's
I
6
did.
number.
I did look at
Okay.
it.
He's talking about another example. He's talking about another example, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, obviously we can split
So
it into
one-
because all the numbers are distinct, right?
So 1 and 2.
What do you mean 1 and 2? I am confused.
So if you could just do a 1 and the 2. The length of an array is 1, 2.
No, the length needs to be equal. That's what I'm saying. The equal parts.
1, 2. What's wrong with that?
What do you mean? Oh, okay, 1, 2. Yeah, each one has one number. Okay, so are we clear? We're given an array. We want to split it into 2 equal parts. The equal means the number of the numbers in each part. And another requirement contains the distinct. Okay, distinct numbers.
That's not how you spell this.
Okay, anyway. Okay. So for example, this.
That's Steve. Dinstein numbers. That's Dinstein number.
Okay, thank you for that. Okay. So this example, obviously no, right? Yeah. Because they are 4 times of 1. No matter how we arrange it, we will have duplicate numbers in each part. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. So what's your thoughts about this? How can we solve this? Given an array, how do we find
It
out?
has to have an even amount of numbers.
We're done even amount of number. If it's odd, we just simply return false, right? It's simple, right? There's no way to split into 2 equal parts. That's common sense, okay? And then
If there's over 3, if there's 3 or more of.
3 or more. What 3 or
It's
more?
3 or more of a type of. It's hard to explain. Like 3 or more of a type of number of 3 or more of the same number.
Yes.
Then it's false.
Great job. Yes. So we check the frequency. If any number appears more than 2 times, more than twice, then return false, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What kind of data structure can we use to facilitate checking this? Start with C.
Count counter.
Yes, counter because we want to check the frequency of each number, right? And simple as that. Okay. So we use the counter, right? Counter is a hash map. It's a handy utility for checking the frequency. Okay. Define f array. If the length of the array, if it's an odd number, n1 or modulus 2 equals 1. If it's an odd number, then we return false, right? Because there's no way to split the array which has odd numbers of numbers into two equal parts. Okay, and now we use the counter. C equals counter array. This counter, right? We iterate over the array, the input, and then we'll count the frequency for each element. Okay, so the keys, it's basically, this will give key value pairs. The keys are the element, the values are the frequency. For example, this one, right? So what does it return? 1, return 2 times. 2, return 2 times. 3, return 1 time. 4, return 1 time.
Yeah,
Okay?
that's what I thought enumerate did one time.
Yeah, enumerate the key, the index, the value. Okay, but this one, the counter array, counter list, return list, right? These keys are the number, the unique number, distinct number. The values are the number of times they appear in the array. Okay, and now we just have to check which part. Are we checking this part or this part?
The values.
The values are the occurrence, the frequency. Then if any of this number is bigger than 2, then we return false, right? Okay, so return the maximum of the C dot values, right, is small or equal than 2, right? This is a function, okay? And that's it. Yeah? Time complexity. What's the time complexity?
O-N.
What's the space complexity?
O-N.
Oh. What's the space complexity?
O-N.
Oh. Can we have only one voice, please?
O1.
What's O1? We are using the hash map, okay? Yeah?
1 hash map O1.
Because the hash map may contain the n element. If
It's
all
still
the
only
element,
1 hash map.
yeah, O1 is constant. On because there are n numbers and the hash map.
Yeah, there's constant.
keeps,
There's a constant list of numbers.
no,
O1.
no.
Yeah,
No.
definitely not wanting to make a mistake.
What's the time and space complexity?
O-N.
We're done. There are n elements and we're using a hash map to store the frequency. If the array contains only distinct numbers, then the hash map may grow up to n elements. Okay, that's what the On is for. N stands for the number of the elements in the array. On. Okay, it's linear. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.